Hi everyone. It's a busy week last week and we experienced a lot of hardship no sa aton nga mga task. May iban syempre mahambal. Hapos lang na not only sa akong task last week but sa every other work. Hambal na silang hapos lang na. But kalaban nga gambang hapos lang na wala dila na agyan. Pero kung agyan nyo, hindi siya hapos. Hindi siya hapos. You will feel pain. You will experience bruises. You will experience scratches. And sometimes you will experience discouragement. But if you keep on thinking na ginaobra mo ni for Jesus Christ, yes, hindi makuha ang kabudlay. Budlay gid siya. Hindi nato na matago. But because you are doing it in the ministry, you're doing it for Jesus, you keep on going, you're happy. You are enjoying what you're doing. So guys, everyone, if we do ministry, we can keep on going. Especially if we are doing it for our Lord Jesus Christ. Maski na no kabudlay, maski na no kasakit, padayon lang kita. We are grounded in the Bible and we must focus on the mission. If we are doing that, we will keep on enjoying doing the ministry for our Lord Jesus Christ. So padayon lang ta guys. Padayon lang. Enjoy working for our Lord.